Pregnancy is a journey filled with changes, including the infamous cravings. These sudden urges for specific foods can range from the mundane to the downright bizarre. Understanding cravings is the first step. They are the body's way of signaling a need, often for a nutrient you might be lacking. For example, a craving for ice cream could indicate a need for calcium. However, it's not just about nutrition. Hormonal fluctuations also play a role, affecting your sense of taste and smell, which can lead to those midnight snack runs. Managing cravings is about balance. It's okay to indulge occasionally, but moderation is key. Try to satisfy cravings with smaller portions and remember to maintain a well-rounded diet. Keeping a food diary can help identify patterns and nutritional gaps. Also, staying hydrated can reduce cravings, as thirst is often mistaken for hunger. When cravings strike, having healthy alternatives ready can make a big difference. Crave something sweet? Reach for fruit instead of candy. If it's salty snacks you're after, try lightly salted nuts. And for those random cravings, like pickles dipped in peanut butter, consider what your body might really need. Perhaps a bit of both protein and electrolytes. Remember, cravings are a natural part of pregnancy. Listen to your body, but also guide it with mindful choices. By understanding, managing, and substituting, you can navigate pregnancy cravings healthily and happily.